to import information to Zway using spreadsheets. We will now show you how to import contacts and companies' information into Zway using a spreadsheet. This method works for products, services, assets, tasks, employees, and many other areas where information needs to be added quickly. Working from your cover sheet, you see a link named Search and Edit All Contacts. When you see the list view, click on the Import button on the top right. On the left of the screen, you now see places to import directly from your Outlook and Google contacts. That is too easy. You really don't need me to show you that. On the top of the page, you will see the Import from Spreadsheet functions. The easiest way to do this is to use the pre-set out spreadsheet we have made for you. Download this by clicking on either XLS or CSV sign. Now you have a spreadsheet with headings to find. Put all of your info in here. Save the spreadsheet to your computer. Then click on the cloud icon to choose that file to import. Pretty soon, you will see this page, the import plan. It allows you to drag and drop any items we did not know where to put. Once happy with the import plan, go to the bottom of the page and click on Import or Preview. Within a minute or so, you will get an email to tell you about your successful import operation.
Thank you.